This is my review of the Ninja Foodie Smart XL. I don't know about you, but I consider myself grill challenged. I have yet to, what I feel like, make a decent steak outside on the grill or chicken or anything else. It's just never right. A friend of mine told me about this about a year ago and I bought one. And I tell you what, this makes the best steaks I have ever made in my life. It could not be more simple to use. You turn it on. It will do air fry, roast, grill, bake, broil, or dehydrate. We'll hit grill. If you have the thermometer plugged in, it will automatically give you a preset option. So we're going to say beef. Then it will give you an option of how you want that beef cooked. Rare, medium rare, medium, or medium well, or well. We set ours to medium. Turn it on to let it preheat. You open it up, add the food. That's the way it looks before I turn it. So I can turn it with one hand here. Nice sear mark. Perfect. So as you can see, it does a fantastic job. You cannot mess up a steak. We've done chicken in it, we've done fish in it. All you need to do is put the thermometer in it, set the preset for beef, chicken, pork, fish, put the thermometer in, set it for the degree of doneness, and walk away. It's got a tray underneath to catch your grease. So you throw this in the dishwasher, you throw that in the dishwasher, and it comes out perfect. You will be cooking the best steaks of your life in no time. The Ninja Foodie XL Smart Grill and more. And it does it all in a fairly small, compact area. I would say it's 18 inches wide, probably. Maybe 14 inches tall, looks like, and 18 to 20 inches deep. This will grill vegetables and anything else you can do on a grill, this will do it. So if, like me, you are grill challenged, you will not regret getting a Ninja Smart Foodie XL. Amazing piece of equipment.